Hi gorgeous, here is a beautiful hairstyle for you. Take 2 locks from front side and secure them with the rubber band. Now turn this ponytail upside down and divide the hair into 2 parts and make 2 ponytails again and secure them with rubber band. Now take the ponytail of right side and pass it under the lock of left side and take the ponytail of left side and pass it under the lock of right side and keep on repeating the same process and secure the ends with the rubber band. Like this, and pin the hair under the bun to secure, and your look is ready. Thanks for watching. Love you all.